In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file Coinbase taxes on TurboTax. We'll move your Coinbase activity into TurboTax quickly and accurately, and I'll point out what to look for along the way so nothing gets missed. Start on your TurboTax return and head to the main navigation where you manage your income. Hover over the income area to open the options. This is the hub where TurboTax gathers wages, interest, dividends, and importantly for us, crypto activity. Next, choose Investments and Savings. That's the section TurboTax uses for stocks, crypto, and other investment forms. Opening it brings up the investment workflow designed to import your data directly from supported platforms, which helps reduce manual entry and typos. TurboTax will ask whether you had investments for the year. Click Yes. In TurboTax language, investments include crypto events such as selling coins, converting one crypto to another, and potentially best rewards or staking income issued on tax forms. Selecting Yes makes sure TurboTax shows you the crypto import options. You'll now see a list of financial institutions and exchanges. Click Coinbase. If you don't see it right away, use the search field at the top of the list and select it when it appears. Choosing Coinbase tells TurboTax exactly where to pull your transaction details and any available tax forms for the correct tax year. Finally, connect your accounts. TurboTax will open a secure connection screen. Sign into your Coinbase account and review the permission request so TurboTax can import your forms and transaction summaries. You may be prompted for two-factor authentication. That's normal and helps keep your data safe. Confirm the connection and give it a moment to sync. When the import completes, TurboTax will display a summary of what it pulled in, such as proceeds, cost basis where available, and gains or losses. Take a moment to review these numbers. Make sure the tax year matches your return, and scan for any missing or duplicate transactions. If something doesn't look right, you can revisit the connection or adjust entries within TurboTax based on your Coinbase records. After reviewing, continue through the prompts. TurboTax will incorporate your imported Coinbase data into the rest of your return and calculate any capital gains taxes or income from crypto that applies. That's all there is to it. Hover on Income, Open Investments, and Savings. Confirm you had investments, pick Coinbase, and connect your accounts. With that done, your Coinbase activity flows into TurboTax, and you're on your way to filing with confidence.